Office in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 1:45 a.m. At 1:04 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rosaryville, or near Clinton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, some hail damage to agriculture is expected. Locations impacted include Clinton, Mayo, Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, Road River, Rosaryville, Marlton, Dunkirk, Brandywine, Owings, Baden, Galesville, Friendship, Lower Marlborough, West River, Tracy's Landing, Lothian, Sunderland, and Cheltenham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh yeah, I can't.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 2 a.m. At 1:07 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles east of Fort Washington, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Hail may damage your vessel. Include Parsons Island, Eastern Bay, Blackconet Point, Miles River, Roanoke, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Herring Bay, North Beach, Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach, Tillman Island, Mayo, and Deal. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Knots or greater. Source, observed wind gust of 41 knots at Baker Point. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yokomico River, Breton Bay, St. Clements Bay, Piney Point, mouth of the Potomac River, Port Tobacco River, Comp Island, Point Lookout, Tall Timbers, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Namini Bay, Coles Point, Miffaz Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, St. George Island, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Popes Creek, and Westmoreland State Park. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Pawtuxet River to Brooms Island, Maryland. 5 a.m. At 1:18 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles north of Wicomico River, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, locations impacted include Hooper Island Light, Solomon's Island, Nanticoke River Mouth, Cuckold Creek, Town Creek, Drum Point, Pongo River, Fishing Bay, Flag Harbor, James Island, Calvert Cliffs, The Targets, Bivalve, Richland Harbor until hazardous weather